Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of privacy on the application of Yazio. You will go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this window of Yazio and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.